Welcome to the Digiprint Supplies walkthrough for our European website. Whether a first-time visitor or a returning customer, this quick video tour will help you navigate our site easily. We'll show you how to quickly find the products you need, use our filters to narrow your spare parts searches, and check your orders smoothly. Spare parts. Search by category, name, or SKU. We supply over 15,000 spare parts for all wide-format inkjet printers. While this can feel overwhelming, we developed the best search engine to help you find these parts easily. If you know the part number of the spare part you need, often it's printed on the part itself, you can put it in the search bar and find your item. You may find two items with the same name, the original and the generic. Our generic parts are of the highest quality, like the original item, but at a lower cost. It is your choice which one you select, but we always distinguish which is which, so you can choose which one you want. If you don't have a visible part number or get a search result, that's no problem. You can find your item using the category and filter search. Click on the product drop-down menu and select your category. If you don't know the category and you don't have a part number, you can type the name in the search bar. Remember to look at the specifications and the pictures to ensure you select the right item. If you still cannot find the item you need, you can contact us through chat. It is live and attended 22 hours a day. Our team of real people will answer in your preferred language. Click on the chat button, enter your information, and start chatting. We can easily answer your questions and see what page you are on. Inks, original and compatible. We supply a wide range of original inks and compatible inks called Digiprint. You can easily find your inks with a part number or select the ink type, manufacturer, and printer compatibility. The related products, in this case the compatible version of the TR2 inks, are found at the bottom of every product page. This applies to parts, inks, or any other product we sell. Remember to buy the cleaning products you always need before checking out. Now, you can also check product availability on every product page. We have thousands of items in stock, but if an item is unavailable, you'll see the exact lead time. Pricing. We offer the most competitive price for all of our products. As you can see, most of our products are already discounted on the product page. We also offer bulk pricing when you buy in larger quantities. The price will adjust per unit once you add multiple units to your shopping cart. No coupon codes are necessary. All our prices exclude taxes and import duties. After you've filled out your cart and are ready to place your order, you can view the shopping cart and even edit it by removing the items you don't want anymore. Now you're ready to click on Checkout. Our checkout process is all on one screen, which is very easy. Since you're on a worldwide site, you'll need to select or enter your shipping address and VAT number. We don't charge tax if you're outside the European Union or if you have a registered VAT number within the EU, which is a helpful benefit. If you're not registered for VAT, you can continue, and you will be charged your country's tax rate. We accept credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and wire transfers. Orders paid by credit card or PayPal ship the same day, while wire transfer orders ship once payment is received, typically between 2 to 3 days. Ensure your billing address matches your credit card address to avoid payment rejection. If you have trouble entering your card, our live chat is available anytime. Next, you will find the shipping carrier options. We work with UPS, and the default method is standard, which is also the most cost-effective. If you need it sooner, you can change it to express for next-day delivery. If you have enrolled in our loyalty program, which you really should, you can see your available reward points here. If you select them, their value is deducted from your total payment. It's that easy to get an extra discount. Our cutoff time is 4:30 Central European Time. If you place your order before this time, it will ship the same day. For orders over €1,000 shipping outside of the EU, we'll prepare all the necessary documentation to ensure smooth import into your country. Please allow an additional 24 hours for this process. Your cart will remain as long as you want if you are not ready to place your order immediately. When you are, click on Place Order and you will instantly receive an order confirmation by email, so you can rest easily knowing that you've completed your purchase. Your order will also show in your account. You can find all of your important information in My Account. Addresses. Do you have different shipping and billing addresses or multiple locations? Save as many addresses as you need here. You can add your VAT number to each shipping address. Orders. You can see all of your orders here. Download the pro forma invoice if you paid by wire transfer or want to reorder quickly. Reward points. Make sure you enroll in our loyalty program. You'll receive reward points for every order that you can use on future orders. Manage payment methods. Your credit card information is safely encrypted. We never have access to it. Our payment processor, Braintree, takes over. Looking for technical assistance? Check out our help desk. If you need help diagnosing a problem with your printer, installing an item you received, or having an issue with an order, click the Help Desk tab at the top of the page to submit a request. Our support team will answer your ticket quickly. Our team of certified engineers is available to all Digiprint customers. There is no extra cost or obligation to buy. We could still show you many more tips and tricks about our website, but let's save those for another video. Thanks for taking the Digiprint Supplies website tour with us. We can't wait to welcome you back online soon.